In this video, let's create a clean e-commerce homepage without coding, and you can use any theme. I am choosing Hello Commerce. It's a lightweight theme provided by Elementor and kind of perfect for WooCommerce stores. Now, how to do basic WooCommerce setup? You can check out previous video. Now, this is our current homepage. So let's create a homepage first. So I am creating a home page, and now in reading I am assigning a home page. Blog I am shifting to blog page. Now we are building a page. So just like other website, before building we will put our whole guideline in the site settings. So our common elements, that is typography, colors, fonts, link style, everything common elements will go here. So our build will be faster. For a header part, we are keeping it this way: logo on left, and on right side we need a menu. So for menu, we have assigned it to a header. So we are keeping home. Then we have contact us. Then we are showing both category, both product category, that is a man and women. Then we will have one page, that is a blog, and we are also keeping a shop page. So this is our main menu. Okay, so for this page, I'm okay with this header. Now let's go to the hero section. Now let's build the hero section. To speed up, I'm taking help of the library. Let's select this one. You can also take help of AI. I also want this sublime. And I also want this city. On right, I'm putting just hero image. Now I am happy with the hero banner. Now below hero section, I want to show some company states. So let's put it. So in a flex box, I am adding, let's say, icon list. Now company states have been shown. Now for the next section, I like to show feature products. So whenever user opens the website, they have immediate access to the products. Now to show feature products, I am taking one flex box. First, I am adding just a heading. Now to show products, I am going into a WooCommerce section. Here you will find few widgets which you can use to design. So here we have products. So I'm dragging and dropping. Now I have added few products. by default widget fetching all the products. So if you select this, here you will do additional settings. Let's say I want to show only 4 products. Okay, now I don't want all latest products. I want only feature products. So for that I'm providing query. Now here it is taking source by default latest products. So here you can select your product types. So all WooCommerce product types you will find here. So we want featured only. Now currently it is not showing a product because we haven't defined any products as a featured products. Now if you come here in your products, here you will find a star icon. So this is related to features. So whether this product is featured or not, you can assign it from here, or another option is you can go to the quick edits, and in visibility you will find this option featured, so you can also assign it from here. So I am assigning it here. So this star is now colored. Outlines, from outline you can also select your feature product. So let's make this one as a feature. Okay, and then let's make this one as well. Okay, so now we have 3 feature products. Let's see our page. Now we are able to see the our feature products. Let's make this column only 3. Now throughout the website I want to keep a look and feel similar to my global styling. So to match that you can go to the site setting. In site settings you will find Hello Commerce, and here you will find those settings. So I have defined it that so it is matching with a global styling. Next section I'm adding shop by categories, so user have immediate access to main categories. So for that I'm adding one section. Now to show categories, go to the WooCommerce section, and here you will find product categories. Now as you drag and drop, here you will find a layout and which category you want to show. So I want to show only 2 columns, as I want to highlight my 2 categories only. Okay, here I'm selecting manual, man and women. Now if you go into the category section, here you can upload the image. While adding a new category you can upload image, and I have already added, so I'm just editing. So our thumbnail for categories have been added. Now I'm adding further styling to the title. Now to style this section, I don't want to show any title or description. I just want to hide them. So let's go to the, here I am applying CSS class. I'm going into the advanced layout CSS classes, and here I am adding class. Okay. Now if I'm checking the title, I want to hide this. Okay, so now I'm happy with the section. I want to show just 2 main categories image only. Now for the next section I want to show latest news about fashion industry. So next section will be a latest blog. Now here I want to put a slider so which runs latest news. So instead of a static grid layout, I want to show post in a slider. So for that I am using a widget loop carousel. Yes, it is almost loops everything. So I'm selecting this and I'm creating a template. So I am in a carousel template mode. So here we are creating a template for our slider. So I am selecting two column. Okay. On left, I want to show a featured image. Okay. And on right, I want to show title. Let's make it smaller. H4 is fine. Let's add another element. Okay, now we haven't added, so it is not showing. I am adding that in individual post. First, let's save this. Okay, so now my slider is ready. So I'm just applying few settings. Let's say 6 slides is fine. On display, I want to show just 2. Okay, let's make it vertically centered. For pagination, I don't want to show any dots, so I am hiding that. In layout, equal height is on. Okay, so I'm happy with this layout and just let's add some border. Okay, now I'm fine with this latest news section. So let's move to the next section. Okay, so now my homepage content is ready. All required section have been added. So I'm finishing this page by adding my custom header and custom footer. Now how to do that I have already covered in my previous videos. So if you have missed it, so please go and check out. So let's see the final preview after adding header footer. So in minutes your store is ready, and that's it for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.